Greetings, friends. In autumn, I took some cuttings from a couple plants, and now that they have roots, it's time to put them in some soil. First, we have this lovely little plant my husband brought home. This little guy broke himself off, so I threw him in some water. Look at all of those roots. And then over here, we have a ground cover. I want to say he's a blue stonecrop, and then all lavender. And all of these guys together, let's see if I can get them, have quite the root mass. So let's get them rinsed and put into some tiny little pots here. I put a little much in that one, so I had to take a little out. Just enough for your roots. Delicately tease your roots apart. And position them in your pot. There we go. Give them a good drink till he's dripping out the bottom, and then keep them damp until you can tell that they're well established.